Good morning, students. In previous session, we are discussing about linear inequalities in two variables. Define linear inequality, then properties of linear inequality based on properties of linear inequality by solving the problems. Now here today I am going to deal with graphical solution of linear inequalities in two variables. Graphically, how to represent the given linear inequality? Look here. Now consider the equation, say in general ax plus by is equal to c. In general, it represents a straight line. Here it is a linear equation in two variables x and y. Now that linear equation represents a straight line in two-dimensional geometry. 2D geometry means two-dimensional geometry. 2D means two axes, x-axis as well as y-axis. So, here the given equation, it represents a straight line in two-dimensional geometry in xy plane. Now, if the plane xy plane divided into two parts, each part is called half plane. In two-dimensional geometry, now the xy plane divided into two parts. Now each part is known as half plane. Okay. Now here let x and y axis 2D geometry. Now here the given equation, it represents a straight line. This is a straight line. If a straight line divides in two parts, each part is called half plane. Now that left side part, this is known as upper half plane. Idikkenantara upper half plane, upper side. This is lower half plane. Non-vertical line divides the xy plane in two parts. Each part is called half plane. Now one part, this part is known as upper half plane, that part. And here this part is known as lower half plane. Whereas if you take the vertical line, again divide it into two parts, left side and right side. Now this is known as left half plane. Left half plane. That portion is right half plane. Right half plane. So a non-vertical line divided in two parts, each part is called half plane. Now that part is known as, this portion is known as upper half plane. E side now shade madidare, this is upper half plane. That portion is known as lower half plane. Whereas vertical line divided in two parts, each part is known as again half plane. That portion is known as left half plane. That right side portion, that shaded portion right side, that is known as right half plane. Okay. So consider the inequality, say ax plus by less than or equal to c. It is linear inequality in two variables. This is linear equation in two variables. Okay. If one inequality is given, okay. Now in order to identify, check whether the given inequality satisfies either upper half plane or lower half plane or left half plane or right half plane. How to identify? Now here, what can you do? Now take the point, say P of in general A comma B, not on the line ax plus by is equal to c. E point E line में air bar. Okay. Now take the point P of A comma B, not lies on the plane. Okay. In order to identify, verify whether the given inequality satisfies towards the origin or away from the origin, means towards upper half plane or towards lower half plane or towards left half plane or towards right half plane, you have to identify. How to identify? Take the point, say P of A comma B, that point not lies on the line ax plus by is equal to c. E point a line में air bar. Take one point. Okay. Now if that point satisfies the given inequality. ಈ ಪಾಯಿಂಟ್ ಈ ಇನ್ಇಕ್ವಾಲಿಟಿಯಲ್ಲಿ ಸ್ಯಾಟಿಸ್ಫೈಡ್ ಆಗಿತ್ತು ಅಂದ್ರೆ then the half plane represented by given inequality is towards the origin. ಈ ಪೋರ್ಷನ್ ಶೇಡ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. Suppose that point does not satisfy the given inequality, then half plane represented by the given inequality is away from the origin. Origin bit right side alle shade agutte. Okay, now here then working rule for solving the graphical solution of linear inequalities in one variable as well as two variable. How to solve? Look here, consider the inequality. If you take two variable ax plus by less than or equal to c, one inequality is given. Now to draw the graph of the solution in two variables. How to draw a graph? Remember the following steps. Step number 1, first step. ಹಾಗಾದ್ರೆ ಗ್ರಾಫ್ ಡ್ರಾ ಮಾಡ್ಬೇಕಾದ್ರೆ ಏನೇನು ಮಾಡಬೇಕು? ಸ್ಟೆಪ್ ನಂಬರ್ 1, convert the given inequality into an equation. Say ax plus by is equal to c. ಕೊಟ್ಟಂಥ ಇನ್ಇಕ್ವಾಲಿಟಿಯನ್ನು ಇಕ್ವೇಷನ್ನಿಗೆ ಕನ್ವರ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ. ಇನ್ಇಕ್ವಾಲಿಟಿ ನೋಟೇಷನ್ ತೆಗೆದುಬಿಡಬೇಕು. ax plus by is equal to c. ಓಕೆ, ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಟು ಫೈಂಡ್ ಔಟ್ ದ ಪಾಯಿಂಟ್ಸ್ x and y. How to solve the points x and y? Very simple. To find the values of x and y. Now suppose if you put x equal to 0. ಯಾವ ನಂಬರ್ ತೊಗೊಳಕ್ಕೆ ಹೋಗಬೇಡ್ರಿ. Now easy method, take x equal to 0. Put x equal to 0. This is 0. It will get the value of y. What is y value? by is equal to c. y is equal to c upon b. ax plus by is equal to c. Put x equal to 0. a into 0 plus b into y is equal to c. This is 0. by is equal to c. y is equal to c upon b. Okay. Similarly, put y is equal to 0. y value 0 ತಗೊಂಡ್ರೆ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ? ax plus b into y value 0 is equal to c. ax is equal to c. Therefore, divide by a. x is equal to c by a. Okay. This is general. Therefore, we got 2 points. Therefore, a is the point, x is 0, y is c upon b. b is the point, x is c by a, y is 0. We got 2 points, right? Now join those 2 points. ಇವೆರಡು ಪಾಯಿಂಟ್ಸನ್ನು ಜಾಯಿನ್ ಮಾಡಿರಿ. So by joining those 2 points, we have to identify whether the given inequality is slack inequality. Slack ಅಂದ್ರೆ less than or equal to ಇತ್ತು ಅಂದರೆ it is slack. Whether the given inequality is slack inequality, join AB, draw a line AB that is thick line like this, thick line. Okay, A point, B point. Draw a line AB, thick line. Suppose the given inequality is strict inequality. Strict inequality ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದ ಅಂದ್ರೆ then join AB in a dotted line. Dotted. Okay, ಯಾವಾಗ ಡಾಟೆಡ್ ತಗೋಬೇಕು? ಸ್ಟ್ರಿಕ್ಟ್ ಇನ್ಇಕ್ವಾಲಿಟಿ ಇದ್ದಾಗ ಡಾಟೆಡ್, ಸ್ಲ್ಯಾಕ್ ಇನ್ಇಕ್ವಾಲಿಟಿ ಇದ್ದಾಗ thick line. Okay, next step, verify whether the given inequality satisfies or does not satisfies. How to identify? For our convenient, take the point p of 0, 0. ಯಾವ ನಂಬರ್ ತೊಗೊಳಕ್ಕೆ ಹೋಗಬೇಡ್ರಿ. For our convenient, take the point 0, 0. Put x equal to 0, y is equal to 0 in given inequality. Suppose x equal to 0, y is equal to 0. You see what happened? A into 0, 0. B into 0 is 0. 0 plus 0, 0. 0 less than or equal to c. Suppose a, b, c are any real numbers. Say 2x plus 3y less than or equal to 7. Or 2x plus 3y less than or equal to 9. Okay. Suppose if you take c value is a positive number, say 5 or 7 like that. Put x is 0, y is 0. What happens? 0 less than or equal to z. If this inequality satisfies, now for our convenient, take the point 0, 0 in given inequality. If it satisfies the given inequality, therefore half plane represented by given inequality is towards the origin. ಸ್ಯಾಟಿಸ್ಫೈಡ್ ಆಗಿತ್ತು ಅಂದ್ರೆ, ಈ ಕಂಡೀಷನ್ ಸ್ಯಾಟಿಸ್ಫೈಡ್ ಆಗಿತ್ತು ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಟುವರ್ಡ್ಸ್ ದ ಒರಿಜಿನ್ದಲ್ಲೇ ಶೇಡ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. ಓಕೆ, ಸಪೋಸ್ ಇಫ್ ಇಟ್ ಡಸ್ ನಾಟ್ ಸ್ಯಾಟಿಸ್ಫೈ ದ ಗಿವನ್ ಇನ್ಇಕ್ವಾಲಿಟಿ, ಒಂದು ವೇಳೆ ಒರಿಜಿನ್ ಹಾಕಿದಾಗ ಅದು ಸ್ಯಾಟಿಸ್ಫೈಡ್ ಆಗಿದ್ದಿಲ್ಲ ಅಂದ್ರೆ, ಇನ್ಇಕ್ವಾಲಿಟಿ ಸ್ಯಾಟಿಸ್ಫೈಡ್ ಆಗಿದ್ದಿಲ್ಲ ಅಂದ್ರೆ, then half plane represented by the given inequality is away from the origin. Origin bit ಹೊರಗಡೆ. This is away from the origin. Okay, there are two cases. If it satisfies, then half plane represented by the given inequality is towards the origin. Towards the origin ಕಡೆ ಶೇಡ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. ಒಂದು ವೇಳೆ ಅದು ಸ್ಯಾಟಿಸ್ಫೈಡ್ ಆಗಿದ್ದಿಲ್ಲ ಅಂದ್ರೆ, the half plane represented by the given inequality is away from the origin. That shaded portion is the required solution of given linear inequality. This is the graphical solution of linear inequalities in two variables as well as in one variables. Very simple. I will repeat once again. Step number 1, ಏನು ಮಾಡಬೇಕು? ಮೊದಲೇ ಸ್ಟೆಪ್ಪು ಕೊಟ್ಟಂಥ ಇನ್ಇಕ್ವಾಲಿಟಿಯನ್ನು ಇಕ್ವೇಷನಿಗೆ ಕನ್ವರ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ. Like ax plus by is equal to c. Next, to find out the points, to find the values of x and y. How to solve? Put x equal to 0, it will get the value of y. X value 0 ಹಾಕಿದರೆ ನಿಮಗೆ y value ಸಿಗುತ್ತೆ. Conversely, put y is equal to 0, it will get the value of x. Okay, now we got 2 points. Join those 2 points. ಎರಡು ಪಾಯಿಂಟ್ಸ್ ಜಾಯಿನ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. ಜಾಯಿನ್ ಮಾಡೋಕ್ಕಿಂತ ಪೂರ್ವದಲ್ಲೇ ನೋಡಬೇಕು, ಕೊಟ್ಟಂಥ ಇನ್ಇಕ್ವಾಲಿಟಿ ಸ್ಲ್ಯಾಕ್ ಇನ್ಇಕ್ವಾಲಿಟಿ ಇತ್ತು ಅಂದರೆ ಥಿಕ್ ಲೈನ್, ಒಂದು ವೇಳೆ ಸ್ಟ್ರಿಕ್ಟ್ ಇನ್ಇಕ್ವಾಲಿಟಿ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದ ಅಂದರೆ ಡಾಟೆಡ್ ಲೈನ್ ಜಾಯಿನ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು, ಬ್ರೋಕನ್ ಲೈನ್. ಓಕೆ, ದೆನ್ ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್, ವೆದರ್ ದ ಇನ್ಇಕ್ವಾಲಿಟಿ ಸ್ಯಾಟಿಸ್ಫೈಸ್ ಆರ್ ಡಸ್ ನಾಟ್ ಸ್ಯಾಟಿಸ್ಫೈಸ್. ಹೌ ಟು ಐಡೆಂಟಿಫೈ? ಫಾರ್ ಅವರ್ ಕನ್ವೀನಿಯೆಂಟ್, ಟೇಕ್ ದ ಪಾಯಿಂಟ್, ಈಸಿ ಮೆಥಡ್, ಟೇಕ್ ದ ಪಾಯಿಂಟ್ 0,0. ಬೇರೆ ಯಾವ ಪಾಯಿಂಟ್ಸು ಬೇಡ. ಪುಟ್ x equal to 0, y is equal to 0 ಇನ್ ಗಿವನ್ ಇನ್ಇಕ್ವಾಲಿಟಿ. ಈ 0 ಮತ್ತು 0 ಇದರಲ್ಲಿ ಸಬ್ಸ್ಟಿಟ್ಯೂಟ್ ಮಾಡಿದಾಗ, ಎಕ್ಸ್ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ ಮತ್ತು ವೈ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ ಸಬ್ಸ್ಟಿಟ್ಯೂಟ್ ಮಾಡಿದಾಗ, ಇಫ್ ಇಟ್ ಸ್ಯಾಟಿಸ್ಫೈಸ್ ದ ಗಿವನ್ ಇನ್ಇಕ್ವಾಲಿಟಿ, ದೆನ್ ಹಾಫ್ ಪ್ಲೇನ್ ರಿಪ್ರೆಸೆಂಟೆಡ್ ಬೈ ದ ಗಿವನ್ ಇನ್ಇಕ್ವಾಲಿಟಿ ಈಸ್ ಟುವರ್ಡ್ಸ್ ದ ಒರಿಜಿನ್. ಯಾವ ಕಡೆ ಶೇಡ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು? ಟುವರ್ಡ್ಸ್ ದ ಒರಿಜಿನ್. ಇಫ್ ಇಟ್ ಡಸ್ ನಾಟ್ ಸ್ಯಾಟಿಸ್ಫೈಸ್ ದ ಗಿವನ್ ಇನ್ಇಕ್ವಾಲಿಟಿ, ದೆನ್ ಹಾಫ್ ಪ್ಲೇನ್ ರಿಪ್ರೆಸೆಂಟೆಡ್ ಬೈ ದ ಇನ್ಇಕ್ವಾಲಿಟಿ ಈಸ್ ಅವೇ ಫ್ರಾಮ್ ದ origin. That shaded portion is the required solution of linear inequalities in one variable as well as two variables. Clear, students? Okay. Now here, based on the graphical solution of linear inequalities in one variable as well as two variable, by solving the problem, very simple problem. Now here, solve the following inequalities graphically in a two-dimensional plane. Two-dimensional plane means x and y axis. Okay. Now here first problem, ಏನು ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾನ? x plus y less than 5. Okay. Now working rule for solving graphical solution of linear inequalities in one variable as two variables, you know. What are the steps? Step number 1, what can you do? To convert given inequality into an equation. Now here, to convert, that is graph of the inequality into an equation, we write x plus y is equal to 5. ಅದನ್ನು equation convert ಮಾಡಿ. Next step number 2, to find out the points. To find the points. X value, y value. X, y. How to take the points? Put x equal to 0. Easy method. Put x value 0. X value 0 ಹಾಕ್ರಿ, ಇದು 0 ಆಯ್ತಾ? 0 plus y is equal to 5. Y is equal to 5. Right? Conversely, put y is equal to 0. Y value 0 ತಗೊಳ್ರಿ. Put y is equal to 0. ಇದು 0 ಆಯ್ತಾ? x plus 0 is equal to 5. x plus 0 is nothing but x. x is equal to 5. ಗೊತ್ತಾಯ್ತಾ ಇದು? Put x equal to 0. This is 0. Y is equal to 5. Put y is equal to 0. ಇದು 0 ಆಯಿತು. x is equal to 5. We got 2 points. Therefore, the points A is the point, x is 0, y is 5, and B is the point, x is 5, y is 0. Next, join those 2 points. Join AB. ನೋಡ್ರಿ ಎ ಬಿ ಲೈನ್ ಜಾಯಿನ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬೇಕಾರೆ ದಿಸ್ ಈಸ್ ದ ಗ್ರಾಫ್ ಎಕ್ಸ್ ಆಕ್ಸಿಸ್ y axis, this is horizontal line is x axis, vertical line is y axis, 0 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 and so on. Here same numbers, positive numbers 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 and so on. Okay, now first point A is the point 0 comma 5. Put x is 0, y is 5. This is A point. A is the point 0 comma 5. Correct? B point 5 comma 0. Put x is 5, y is 0. This is B is the point 5 comma 0. Join AB. AB line join ಮಾಡ್ಬೇಕಾರೆ whether that line is it thick line or broken line we have to identify. How to identify? Observe the given inequality. ಹಾಗಾದ್ರೆ ಗಿವನ್ ಇನ್ಇಕ್ವಾಲಿಟಿ ಏನಿದೆ ನೋಡಿ, ಇಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಸ್ಟ್ರಿಕ್ಟ್ ಇನ್ಇಕ್ವಾಲಿಟಿ, ದಟ್ ಈಸ್ ನಾಟ್ ಸ್ಲ್ಯಾಕ್. ಲೆಸ್ ದ್ಯಾನ್ ಆರ್ ಈಕ್ವಲ್ ಇತ್ತು ಅಂದರೆ ಇಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಸ್ಲ್ಯಾಕ್, ಇಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಕ್ಲೋಸ್ಡ್ ಇಂಟರ್ವಲ್. ಇಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಲೆಸ್ ದ್ಯಾನ್ ಓಪನ್ ಇಂಟರ್ವಲ್. ಇಫ್ ಇಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಸ್ಟ್ರಿಕ್ಟ್ ಇನ್ಇಕ್ವಾಲಿಟಿ, ಜಾಯಿನ್ ಎ ಬಿ, ಡ್ರಾ ಎ ಲೈನ್ ಎ ಬಿ ಇನ್ ಡಾಟೆಡ್ ಪೋರ್ಷನ್. ಡಾಟೆಡ್ ಲೈನ್ ಯಾಕಂದ್ರೆ ಅದು ಸ್ಟ್ರಿಕ್ಟ್ ಇನ್ಇಕ್ವಾಲಿಟಿ ಇದೆ. ಓಕೆ, we got two parts, two half planes. This is left, that is lower half plane, upper half plane. ಈಗ ಯಾವ ಕಡೆ ನಾವು ಶೇಡ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು, ಯಾವ ಕಡೆ ಶೇಡ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು, ಈ ಸೈಡ್ ಶೇಡ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕಾ, ಈ ಸೈಡ್ ಶೇಡ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕಾ, ಅದನ್ನು ಐಡೆಂಟಿಫೈ ಮಾಡಬೇಕಾದ್ರೆ ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಸ್ಟೆಪ್ ಏನು? ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಸ್ಟೆಪ್ಪು, ನಾವು ಟೇಕ್ ದ ಪಾಯಿಂಟ್. ಏನು ಪಾಯಿಂಟ್ ತೊಗೋಬೇಕು? 0, 0. For our convenient, take the point 0, 0. Put x 0, 0 means put x is equal to 0 and y is equal to 0 in given inequality. ಕೊಟ್ಟಂಥ inequality substitute ಮಾಡಿ. x equal to 0, y is equal to 0 ಹಾಕಿದರೆ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ? 0 plus 0 less than 5. 0 plus 0 less than 5 implies 0 plus 0, 0 less than 5. Is it 0 less than 5? Is it 0 less than 5 or not? 5 ಕಿಂತ ಕಡಿಮೆ ಇದೆ ತಾನೆ? Yes. Therefore, which is true? Satisfied ಆಗುತ್ತಲ್ರಿ? Which is true. Therefore, half plane represented by given inequality 1 is towards the origin. Satisfied ಆಯ್ತಲ್ಲ? 0 less than 5, which is true. Satisfied ಆಯಿತು. Therefore, half plane represented by the given inequality equation 1, that is towards the origin. ಯಾವ ಕಡೆ ಶೇಡ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕಾಯ್ತು? Towards the origin. Like this. ಓಕೆ, ಸ್ಯಾಟಿಸ್ಫೈಡ್ ಆಗಿತ್ತು ಅಂದರೆ ಟುವರ್ಡ್ಸ್ ದ ಒರಿಜಿನ್, ಸ್ಯಾಟಿಸ್ಫೈಡ್ ಆಗಿದ್ದಿಲ್ಲ ಅಂದರೆ ಅವೇ ಫ್ರಮ್ ದ ಒರಿಜಿನ್. ದೇರ್ ಫೋರ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಶೇಡೆಡ್ ಪೋರ್ಷನಲ್ಲಿ ತೊಗೊಂಡಿದ್ದೀವಿ, ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಬಿಲೋ ದ ಲೈನ್ ಎ ಬಿ. ಶೇಡೆಡ್ ಪೋರ್ಷನ್ ಈಸ್ ಆರ್ ಬಿಲೋ ದ ಲೈನ್ ಎ ಬಿ ಆರ್ ಲಿವ್ ಇಟ್ ಆ್ಯಸ್ ಇಟ್ ಈಸ್. ದೇರ್ ಫೋರ್ shaded region is the required solution. Shaded region is the required solution. Clear? If take one more problem, ಇನ್ನೊಂದು ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ ತಗೊಳ್ಳಿ. ಒಂದೇ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ ಕ್ಲಿಯರ್ ಆಗಿರಕ್ಕಿಲ್ಲ. Take another problem. Solve graphically 2x plus 3y more than or equal to 6. Now steps. First step, to convert given inequality into an equation. Graph of given inequality into an equation. 2x plus 3y is equal to 6. Now to find out the points, to find x and y. How to find out? Simple method. Put x is equal to 0. x value 0 ಹಾಕಿ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ? 2 into x value 0 plus 3y is equal to 6. 2 into 0, 0 plus 3y is equal to 6. Divide by 3, y is equal to 6 by 3, 3 ones are 3 twos. That is 2. Put y is equal to 0, y value 0 ಹಾಕಿದ್ರೆ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ 2x plus 3 into 0 is equal to 6. 2x 3 into 0 0 is equal to 6. X is equal to 6 divided by 2, 2 ones are 2 threes are. X value 3. We got the points. Okay, points ಸಿಕ್ತು ತಾನೆ? Yes. Therefore the points A is a point 0, 2 and B be a point 3, 0. First number represent x value, second number represent y value. Next, join AB. By joining the line AB, whether it is thick line or dotted line, how to identify? Depends upon the given. Now observe it. In given inequality, it is slack inequality. More than or equal, it is slack inequality. If it is slack inequality is given, join AB, that line is thick line. Look here. X-axis, Y-axis 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Locate those points. ಆ ಪಾಯಿಂಟ್ಸ್ ಅನ್ನು XY plane ಒಳಗೆ ರಿಪ್ರೆಸೆಂಟ್ ಮಾಡಿ. X equal to 0, Y is 2. X is 0, Y is 2. A is the point 0, 2. Put X is 3, Y is 0. Put X is 3, Y is 0, 3, 0. Join AB. That line AB is thick line. Okay. Then shade. Again we got two half planes. That is lower half plane, upper half plane. ಯಾವ ಕಡೆ ಈಗ ನಾವು ಶೇಡ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು ಅದನ್ನು ಐಡೆಂಟಿಫೈ ಮಾಡೋಕೆ go for next step. Now take the point 0, 0. Put x equal to 0, y is equal to 0. Take the point 0, 0 means put x equal to 0, y is equal to 0. That is put x is equal to 0 and y is equal to 0 in given inequality. ನೋಡ್ರಿ 0 ಹಾಕಿ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ 2 into 0 plus 3 into 0 more than or equal to 6. 2 into 0 0, 3 into 0 0, 0 plus 0 0 more than or equal to 6. Is it 0 more than 6? 0 r-ಕಿಂತ ದೊಡ್ಡದಿದೆನಾ? ಇಲ್ಲ. So which is not true. Satisfied ಆಗಲಿಲ್ಲ. Therefore satisfied ಆಗಲಿಲ್ಲ ಅಂದರೆ ಏನು ಬರೀಬೇಕು? Therefore half plane represented by inequality, given inequality is away from the origin. Satisfied ಆಗಿತ್ತು ಅಂದರೆ shaded portion is towards the origin. Satisfied ಆಗಿದ್ದಲ್ಲ ಅಂದರೆ that shaded portion is away from the origin. ಹಾಗಾದರೆ ಯಾವ ಕಡೆ ಶೇಡ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬೇಕಾತ್ ನೋಡಿ. away from the origin ಅಂದರೆ towards, away from the origin, below the line AB. Shaded portion is below the line AB. Okay. Therefore shaded region is the required solution. Shaded region is the required solution. Clear, students? Okay. Now take next third problem ನೋಡಿ. Same type. Problem number 3. 3x plus 4y less than or equal to 12. Working rule for solving. Graphical method. First step, to convert given inequality into an equation. Graph of 3x plus 4y is equal to 12. Inequality in equation convert ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ. Next, to find out the points. Points ಗಳನ್ನ find out ಮಾಡಿ. x, y. Put x is equal to 0. ನೋಡ್ರಿ x ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ 0 ಹಾಕಿದ್ರೆ 0 ಆಗಿಬಿಡ್ತಾ. 3 into 0 0. 3 into 0 plus 4y is equal to 12. 3 into 0 0 plus 4y is equal to 12. Divide by 4. Y is equal to 12 by 4, that is 3. Y value is 3. Put y is equal to 0. Put y is equal to 0. Y is equal to 0 ಹಾಕಿದರೆ 3x ಇದು x equal to 0. This is put y is equal to 0. 3x plus 4 into 0 is equal to 12. 3x is equal to 12. This is 0. X is equal to 12 by 3. That is 4. So x value is 4. We got the points. Therefore, the points A is a point, x equal to 0, y is 3. And B be a point, x equal to 4, y is 0. Join those 2 points. Join the points A, B. Whether by joining the point A and B, whether it is thick line or dotted line, identify the given inequality it is slack inequality. If it is slack inequality is given, thick line, draw a line thick. If it is strict inequality given, draw a line in broken. Okay. Now here, let x and y axis, O is the origin. Take the points 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and so on. Here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and so on. Locate those points in x and y axis. Put x is 0, y is 3. X is 0, y is 3. A is the point 0, 3. Next, put x equal to 4, y is 0. X equal to 4, y is 0. B is a point 4, 0. Okay, join AB. That line AB is thick or dotted? It is thick line. Thick line. Okay. There are 2 parts, upper half plane, lower half plane. ಯಾವ ಕಡೆ ಶೇಡ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು? Go for next step. Now take the point 0 0. 0 0 means that is put x is equal to 0, y is equal to 0 in equation, in inequality 1. Inequality substitute ಮಾಡಿ. 3 into 0 plus 4 into 0 less than or equal to 12. 3 into 0 0, 4 into 0 0 less than or equal to 12 implies 0 less than or equal to 12. Is it 0 less than 12? Yes, which is true. Satisfied ಆಗುತ್ತಲ್ರಿ? Clearly 0 less than 12, which is true. ಹಂಗ satisfied ಆಯಿತು ಅಂದ್ರೆ therefore half plane represented by given inequality satisfies the given inequality. If it satisfies, L shade ಮಾಡಬೇಕು, is towards the origin. origin ಕಡೆ shade ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. ಅಂದರೆ ಯಾವ ಕಡೆ? Towards the origin. That portion. Okay. Therefore, shaded region is the required solution. Clear, students? Take one more. ಇನ್ನೊಂದು ನೋಡಿ, problem number 4. ಒಂದೇ type, same type. ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ ನಂಬರ್ 4 ಏನಿದೆ, ಎಕ್ಸ್ ಮೈನಸ್ ವೈ ಲೆಸ್ ದ್ಯಾನ್ ಆರ್ ಈಕ್ವಲ್ ಟು 2. ಎಕ್ಸ್ ಮೈನಸ್ ವೈ ಲೆಸ್ ದ್ಯಾನ್ ಆರ್ ಈಕ್ವಲ್ ಟು 2. ಹೌದಾ? ಹಾಂ. ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಸ್ಟೆಪ್, convert given inequality into an equation. Graph of inequality in the equation convert ಮಾಡಿ. X minus y is equal to 2. Then to find out the points, x y, put x equal to 0. X value 0 ಹಾಕಿದ್ರೆ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ? 0 minus 2. Put x is equal to 0. ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ? 0 minus y is equal to 2, minus y is equal to 2, y is equal to minus 2. ಹಂಗಂದ್ರೆ y ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ ಏನಾಯ್ತು? minus 2. ಕಾನ್ವರ್ಸ್ಲಿ put y is equal to 0. y ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ 0 ಹಾಕಿದ್ರೆ x minus 0 is equal to 2, x is equal to 2. y is equal to 0, x is equal to 2. Therefore, the points PTS means points. X is 0, y is minus 2, BB upon x is 2, y is 0. Join the points AB. ಎರಡು ಜಾಯಿನ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. ಆ ಲೈನ್ ಜಾಯಿನ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕಾದ್ರೆ ನೋಡಬೇಕು ಕೊಟ್ಟಂಥ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್, ಈಸ್ ಇಟ್ ಸ್ಟ್ರಿಕ್ಟ್ ಇನ್ಇಕ್ವಾಲಿಟಿ ಆರ್ ಸ್ಲ್ಯಾಕ್ ಇನ್ಇಕ್ವಾಲಿಟಿ? ಕ್ಲಿಯರ್ಲಿ ಇಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಸ್ಲ್ಯಾಕ್ ಇನ್ಇಕ್ವಾಲಿಟಿ. ಸ್ಲ್ಯಾಕ್ ಇನ್ಇಕ್ವಾಲಿಟಿ ಇದ್ದಾಗ ಥಿಕ್ ಲೈನ್. x-axis, y-axis, x dash, y dash, horizon 1, 2, 3, 4, here minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, here plus 1, plus 2, plus 3, plus 4, negative side, negative direction of x-axis, minus 1, minus 2, minus 3 and so on. Okay, locate those points. ಆ ಪಾಯಿಂಟ್ಸನ್ನು ಈ xy plane ಒಳಗೆ ರಿಪ್ರೆಸೆಂಟ್ ಮಾಡಿ. Now first point, x equal to 0, y is minus 2. Put x is 0, y is minus 2. That is negative direction. This is a point. A is the point. X is 0, y is minus 2. Right? Next, B is the point 2, 0. Put x is 2, y is 0. B is the point 2, 0. Join those 2 points. By joining the points AB, is it thick line or dotted line? It is thick line because it is slack inequality. Thick line. Okay. Now we got 2 planes. Upper half plane, lower half plane. Okay. ಈಗ ಯಾವ ಸೈಡ್ ಶೇಡ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು ಅದನ್ನು ಹೇಗೆ ಚೆಕ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು? ಪುಟ್ x equal to 0 and y is equal to 0 in given inequality. ಗಿವನ್ ಇನ್ಇಕ್ವಾಲಿಟಿಯಲ್ಲೇ ಸಬ್ಸ್ಟಿಟ್ಯೂಟ್ ಮಾಡಿ. x is 0, y is 0. 0 minus 0 less than or equal to 2. 0 minus 0, 0 less than or equal to 2. Is it 0 less than 2? Yes. 0 2ಗಿಂತ ಕಡಿಮೆ ಇದೆ, which is true. Which is true. Satisfy ಆಗುತ್ತೆ ತಾನೆ? Therefore, half plane represented by the given inequality is, if it satisfies, is away from the origin or towards the origin. Satisfied ಆಗಿತ್ತು towards the origin, is towards the origin. Okay, towards the origin, ಇಲ್ಲಿ origin ಇದೆ, towards the origin, like this. Therefore, shaded region is the required solution. ಐಡಿಯಾ ಬಂತಲ್ಲ, ಗೊತ್ತಾಯ್ತಲ್ಲ ಇದು? ಓಕೆ, ಟೇಕ್ ಒನ್ ಮೋರ್ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್. ಯಾವುದು? ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ ನಂಬರ್ x minus y. This is fifth problem. Now here this is fifth. Now to solve fourth problem. remaining problem. That is fourth problem. Y plus 8 more than or equal to 2x. Rearrange. This implies y plus 8. Take inequality on right side. Minus 2x more than or equal to 0. ಇದನ್ನು ಈ ಕಡೆ ತೊಗೊಂಡ್ರೆ ಏನಾಯಿತು minus 2x more than or equal to 0. Or minus 2x plus y more than or equal to, that 8 goes to right side, minus 8. Okay, equation 1. Now first step, convert given inequality into an equation. Equation ಹೇಗೆ convert ಮಾಡಬೇಕು? Remove that inequality. Graph of minus 2x plus y is equal to minus 8. To convert given inequality into an equation. Now to find out the points. To find x and y. How to solve? Put x is equal to 0. X value 0 ಹಾಕಿದ್ರೆ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ? Minus 2 into 0 plus y is equal to minus 8. This is 0. Y is equal to minus 8. X value 0, y value minus 8. Put y is equal to 0. Put y is equal to 0 in this equation. Minus 2x plus y value 0 is equal to minus 8. Minus 2x is equal to minus 8. Divide by minus 2. Minus 8 divided by minus 2, that is plus 4. X value plus 4. We got the points. Therefore, the points PTS means points. The points A is a point, x is 0, y is minus 8. B is a point, x is 4, y is 0. Next, join those 2 points. Join AB. Okay. This is the graph. X-axis, y-axis, x dash, y dash. Okay, this is origin. Right side positive number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 and so on. Upward direction positive number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and so on. Then negative direction of x-axis is minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, minus 4 and so on. And downward direction negative values minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, minus 4, minus 5, minus 6, minus 7, minus 8, minus 9 and so on. That is minus 10 and so on. Okay. Minus 10. Right? Now locate those points in x and y axis. First point, A is the point 0, minus 8. It means put x equal to 0, y is minus 8. X is 0, y is minus 8. Here, A is a point 0, minus 8. Next, B be a point 4, 0. Put x is equal to 4, y value 0. This is the point, B point 4, 0. Join the line AB. Whether that line AB is thick line or dotted line. It is thick line. Thick line. Now we got 2 parts. This one part, another part. ಈ ಎರಡು ಪಾರ್ಟ್ ಇದೆಲ್ಲ ಯಾವ ಪಾರ್ಟ್ ಕಡೆ ನಾವು ಶೇಡ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು ಅದನ್ನು ನೋಡ್ಬೇಕಾದ್ರೆ ಗೋ ಫಾರ್ ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಸ್ಟೆಪ್. ಏನು ತಗೋಬೇಕು? ಪುಟ್ ಎಕ್ಸ್ ಈಕ್ವಲ್ ಟು 0. Put x is equal to 0 and y is equal to 0 in given inequality. Whether it satisfies or does not satisfy, you have to identify. Put x is equal to 0 and y is equal to 0 in given inequality. Put x value 0, y value 0, minus 2 into 0 plus 0 more than or equal to minus 8. 2 into 0, 0 plus 0 more than or equal to minus 8. That is 0 plus 0, 0 more than or equal to minus 8. Check ಮಾಡಿ. Is it 0 minus 8 ಕಿಂತ ದೊಡ್ಡದಾಗಿದೆನಾ ಅಥವಾ ಚಿಕ್ಕದಾಗಿದೆನಾ? Clearly greater than. 0 is greater than minus 8, which is true. True ಆಗುತ್ತೆ ತಾನೆ? Yes. Therefore, half plane represented by inequality 1. If it satisfies the inequality, that shaded portion is towards the origin or away from the origin. If it satisfies, towards the origin. Inequality is towards the origin. And shaded portion is below the line AB. Towards the origin andre ಯಾವ ಕಡೆ? Towards the origin. Origin is nearest, like this. Okay. Therefore, shaded portion, shaded region is the required solution. Shaded region is the required solution. ಐಡಿಯಾ ಬಂತಲ್ಲ ಸ್ಟೂಡೆಂಟ್ಸ್? ಓಕೆ, ಸೊ ಇದು ಒಂದು ಇನ್ಇಕ್ವಾಲಿಟಿ ಕೊಟ್ಟಾಗಿ ಐಡಿಯಾ ಬಂತಲ್ಲ ಇದು. ಓಕೆ, ಸೊ ರಿಮೈನಿಂಗ್ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ಸ್, ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ ನಂಬರ್ 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, okay, to solve in next class. Okay students, so remaining 5 problems we will discuss in next class. Okay, thank you students.